Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Zone. If you're looking for the best DJI drones you can buy 2025, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best DJI drones you can buy 2025 options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which DJI drones is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S is one of my favorite drones. I enjoyed testing it, and even today, I rarely go anywhere without it. It's the ideal drone for content creators, travel vloggers, photographers, and even enthusiasts who want to have fun. Its ability to capture 4K per 60 frames per second video, shoot raw photos and film in D-Log-M to capture a wider dynamic range thoroughly impressed me in testing, with the added ability to shoot 4K per 120 frames per second slow motion footage and even 9:16 video for social media. The Air 3S offers extensive creative possibilities. The dual camera system consists of a 50MP wide-angle camera and a 48MP medium telecamera with a 9x zoom. This drone is also equipped with next-gen smart obstacle avoidance and advanced return-to-home technology, which works even in areas without satellite signals. The Air 3S also one-ups its predecessor, the Air 3, with an upgraded 42GB internal memory and 10-bit D-Log-M video recording. In our testing, the Air 3S excelled in capturing both stills and video, especially in low-light conditions, and handled winds up to 12 meters per second like a champ. The resulting footage was extremely stable. The responsive RC2 controller made flying effortless too. At $1,099, the Air 3S is a more affordable option compared to the $2,199 Mavic 3 Pro while still offering competitive features. The Fly More combo, with its additional batteries and shoulder bag, is great value for money too. The Air 3S weighs more than 249 g though. Number 2. DJI Mini 4 Pro. I've been flying DJI's drones as far back as 2017, and with each new iteration, I'm always astounded that I've yet to find a rival drone maker that I can confidently say can match its robust lineup and exceptional video performance. It's no shock that DJI has some of the best drones around. Most recently, I've taken the DJI Mini 4 Pro to check out all of the new features and innovations packaged into DJI's latest subcompact sized drone, since there are few alternatives. From other drone makers that can match its breadth of features, I can only say how it stacks up to past DJI drones I've flown, like the DJI Mini 3 Pro and DJI Avata. They give me an idea of how DJI improved upon its latest drone, especially when it comes to video performance, tracking, and obstacle avoidance. The series has long been understood as the drone for beginners, but at a whopping $759, it's a premium you'll have to pay in order to bypass the FAA's registration requirement for drones that are 250 grams, 0.55 pounds, or more in weight. The price is steep, but you need to know that it's accompanied by a slew of features that can help first-time drone flyers to become seasoned pros after several flights. The DJI Mini 4 Pro was announced on September 24, 2023, and it's now available in other combo packages, including a Fly More combo package that includes additional batteries and a dedicated charging system. DJI's Mini line started off as a low-cost, budget alternative. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Classic. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic takes most of what we loved about the DJI Mavic 3, a 4/3 CMOS sensor, a 46-minute flight time and omnidirectional sensors, and adds a $500 price cut, making this potentially the best drone for videographers who can't drop $2,000 on a flying camera platform. What features do you give up? Most notably, the secondary 28x digital zoom lens. Also missing is the optional SSD and the lack of ProRes video. Are those trade-offs worth the reduction in price? Read the rest of our DJI Mavic 3 Classic hands-on to decide for yourself. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic is available as of November 2, 2022. It's available in a couple of configurations. If you already have a DJI controller and charger and want to purchase just the drone itself, the Mavic 3 Classic costs $1,469. Number 4. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is perhaps the easiest drone to get a hang of, and it strikes a great balance between features and price among the drones we've tested. It costs less than $500, but you get 48MP images, 4K per 60 frames per second video, and a host of shooting and filming modes. Unlike most of DJI's other drones, the Flip's rotors are encased in protective guards, so there's less chance of damaging the props if you run into something, a definite possibility, as this drone only has forward-facing obstacle avoidance. That's not as good as the Mini 4 Pro, which has 360 degrees of protection, but better than the Mini 3, which has none. We really love its compact design. The rotors fold into the body, much like the Hover Air X1 Pro/Pro Max, which makes the Flip look like a droid from Star Wars. The prop guards also protects things while they're in your bag. Video performance of the Flip was comparable to that of the pricier DJI Mini 4 Pro. We were stunned at the detail and colors in the footage we shot. However, in a concession to the Flip's lower price, its flight time, still a considerable 31 minutes, is far less than that of the Mini 3, which can go for nearly an hour with its extended battery. In short, the DJI Flip strikes the perfect middle ground, and its ease of use makes it the best drone for beginners. Number 5. DJI Neo. If you're on a tight budget but still want a drone that takes great photos and records beautiful footage, then the DJI Neo should be on your radar. For an entry-level drone, the Neo is chock full of pro specs. It's highly compact and portable, making it perfect for traveling. With the RC&3 controller or even just the DJI Fly app on your smartphone, the Neo is extremely easy to fly and control, although it doesn't feature object avoidance, so we had to be more careful when flying this drone as compared to some other models from DJI, like the Mini 4, which do have this feature. But obstacle avoidance comes at a premium, so we wouldn't expect a budget drone to feature it. The Neo is capable of shooting 4K video at 30 frames per second, and with DJI's refined stabilization algorithm, this small but mighty drone captured buttery smooth footage and detailed stills in all of our flights. However, it lacks a genuine 3-axis gimbal, like you'll find on the Mini 3. Also, unlike DJI's other drones, there's no SD card slot. You have to make do with its 22 gigabytes of internal storage, but the quick transfer feature lets you quickly download the footage onto your phone. One last caveat. The Neo's flight time of around 18 minutes is about half that of DJI's other drones, but all of these are acceptable compromises given the low price and great video that this drone takes.